Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning classification of soil. Classification of soil on the basis of the factors responsible for soil formation. It is a medium of plant growth and supports it different types of living organisms. So when we classify, there are alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, then arid soil and forest soil. Let us see what about the alluvial soil. My suggestion is you keep a map of India, physical map of India, and learn. And the textbook also, what is marked according to that, you find the location of alluvial soil and each soil. Yes, first alluvial soil. It is widely spread in northern plains, deposited by Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra, extend in Rajasthan and Gujarat through a narrow corridor, eastern coastal plains, deltas of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Alluvial soils consist of sand, silt, clay. Near river valleys, soil particles appear bigger in size. Near upper reaches of valley, break of slopes, soils become coarse. Alluvial soils are common in pediment, that is in the gentle slope. Examples duars, chaos and terrae. On the basis of age, old alluvium soil you have studied in 9th standard, there is Bengar, and new alluvial soil is known as Khada, that is higher concentration of Kangar nodules. More fertile, and we can see potash, phosphoric acid and lime. So this is the alluvial soil. Yes, little more regarding alluvial soil. It is suitable for sugarcane and paddy, sugarcane, paddy, cereals and pulse cultivation. Intensely cultivated, especially that area may be densely populated. That is why the northern plains are densely populated. Soils in the area are more alkaline and can be productive after proper treatment and irrigation. So soils in the drier area, it can be more alkaline and can be productive after proper treatment and irrigation. This is about the alluvial soil. So I told you map questions will be there, MCQs will be there. So this is the alluvial soil. Yes, alluvial soil you can find. Yes, alluvial soil, see here, and it passes through the narrow corridor of Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is spreading on the eastern coastal lines. That is alluvial soil, and it mentioned about Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. I hope you know the rivers. Otherwise, you take the water resources chapter. There you will get where it is. Then Ganga, Yamuna, Ganga. Yes, this is the place Allahabad, which is known as Prayagraj now. And this area, here Gagara, Gangtok, Koshi, Chambal, all these major rivers and tributaries are flowing here. Some are flowing and emptying. Yes, here you see, here they are emptying into the Bay of Bengal. Then some rivers, the rest the Kaveri, Krishna, Godavari and Mahanadi. Here we can see the Hirakud water project dam. Yes, so here these are the areas where we can see. So the Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi and Godavari. These are the places we can see the Godavari also, little area. See that the alluvial soils are found. What is written in the textbook, that way you can see Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. So I hope you understood where it is located. These are the major features of alluvial soil. Then come to the black soil. This is quick revision we are doing. And black soil, black in color, it is also known as black soil and rigor soil. Another name is the rigor soil. It is climatic conditions, and how the color will come according to the climatic conditions and according to the parent rock material. Important factors after formation of black soil. We can see the Deccan trap, that is a basalt. Deccan trap, and how Deccan trap is formed? The lava flown from the volcanic eruption. The Deccan plateau is formed, that is a northwestern Deccan plateau and plateau of Mahanadi, then Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa Plateau, and Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and southeastern Godavari and Krishna. These black soil or the rigor soil is found. Fine clayey material capacity, it has a capacity to hold moisture, rich in nutrients, calcium, carbonate, then magnesium, potash, lime, and poor phosphoric content, develop deep cracks when it becomes hot, and proper activities. We can see that irrigation is done, otherwise it is sticky. Just after this, after first rain it should be irrigated, otherwise it will become so sticky. So till immediately after first shower it should be plowed. That is the meaning it is given there. So that is the black soil which is found in Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, then Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. So this is the black soil, black soil, black soil. See, these are the areas you have to find out. Black soil is found. These are the areas of black soil. What is black soil important for? Black soil is suitable for the cultivation of cotton. Cultivation of cotton. Yes, if state-wise, if you go through the state-wise, yes, take the atlas and find out. Yes, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, then Malwa and Chhattisgarh, and yes, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Malwa, Saurashtra, and Maharashtra. These areas it is found. So that is why it is given here like that. Yes, coming to the next, we can see red and yellow soil. Regarding the red and yellow soil, suppose I could not complete this video, I will continue in the next video. Anyway, let us see how much we can take here. Then red yellow soil developed in crystalline igneous rock of low rainfall area, east and southern parts of Deccan Plateau, parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Gangetic Plain along the pediment of Western Ghats. Reddish due to diffusion of iron, crystalline and metamorphic rock. Hydrated looks yellow. And yes, that much only. Hydrated it looks yellow. That is meant by the red and yellow soil. Yes, crystalline igneous rocks in areas of low rainfall in the eastern and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Yellow and red soil are also found in parts of Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern parts of Middle Ganga Plain and along the pediment of the Western Ghats. So let us see the map where it is. Yes, see that how it is, red and yellow soil. So red and yellow soil, these are the area, red and yellow soil. See that sometimes they mark this, just I have marked. If it is nearby the coastal area, it is laterite soil, but it is away from the western coastal plain, little more here, that is red and yellow soil, and it is little more above, it is black soil. So find out where it is marked. They used to put some round or like that, and they used to ask. So this red soil. So go through the places. Once more, the red soil, it is found in low rainfall area, east and southern parts of Deccan Plateau. Yes, here eastern parts, here Deccan Plateau. So as the lava flows, when the Himalaya, when from the Himalaya, the volcanic eruption occurred, the lava flown here, and that is how the plateau has been formed. Plateau means a raised land. Raised flat land is known as plateau. So the Deccan Plateau, it is east and western, east and southern part, east and southern part. This is east and southern parts of this area, and parts of Odisha and parts of Chhattisgarh. Then southern part of middle Ganga plain, southern parts of middle Ganga plain. This is Ganga plain here, middle of the Ganga plain. It is found along with the pediment of Western Ghats. Yes, here pediment of Western Ghats. It is found. It is reddish color because the diffusion of iron. Then, okay, now we can move to the laterite soil. Laterite is a word from Latin which means brick. Brick color. Laterite soil. Brick. And this laterite soil found in tropical and subtropical area. Tropical and subtropical climate and alternate wet and dry season. This soil is a result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. Laterite soils are mostly deep to very deep acidic, generally deficient in plant nutrients, and occur mostly in southern states, Western Ghats, regions of Maharashtra, Odisha, some parts of Western Bengal, and northeastern regions where these soils found. Soils support deciduous and evergreen forest. It is humus rich but under sparse vegetation and to semi and arid environment. It is generally humus poor. They are prone to erosion and degradation due to their position on the landscape. After adopting appropriate soil conservation techniques, particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, this soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. Red laterite soils in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala are more suitable for crops like cashew nut also. So just I read it, that only. So that is tropical, subtropical, alternate wet and dry season. Laterite soils are found in the result of intense leaching due to heavy rain. Intense leaching, heavy, deep to very deep, and in acidic in nature, deficient in plant nutrient. And it is found in southern states, Western Ghats region, Maharashtra, Odisha, that we have to see. Where it is in? Maharashtra, Odisha, Maharashtra, Odisha. Is the color, see, the laterite soil color is this one. Laterite soil, Maharashtra, Odisha, West Bengal here, little Bangladesh, and is black soil, and laterite soil here, little here, this area, you can see this area, sorry, not this area, this area. So we are saying the laterite soil which are found, that is where it is located, is very important. Laterite soils are found in southern states. This laterite soil, this strips one. Southern states, then Western Ghats regions, then Maharashtra, little here, Maharashtra, then Odisha, little here you can see the Odisha, then West Bengal also. There may be some parts West Bengal and some parts in Orissa. That is how this area comes under the West Bengal. This parts comes under Odisha, West Bengal, and northeastern region. Yes, northeastern regions. Majority of our 7 states, isn't it? Yes. So that is the laterite soil. So anything more it is written the other side? No. Yes, laterite soil, they are generally humus poor, prone to erosion, degradation due to their position. After adopting appropriate soil conservation techniques, very useful in growing tea and coffee. There is tea and coffee, both in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, red laterite soil in Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala, which is good for cashew nut. See that. So tea and coffee, Kerala, and it is famous for Kerala, the tea and both tea and coffee, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Then cashew nut in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala. And one difference is there. I think just see one crop regarding, I think tea, it is not grown in Karnataka, I think, but coffee in Karnataka. Maybe that difference, please find out. I have to check it once more. Yes, go through that. Yes, what is written in the textbook. Let me read the textbook line. I don't want to make a confusion here. I think they are generally written as hilly areas of, after soil conservation technique, particularly in the hilly areas of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, the soil is very useful for growing tea and coffee. That way it is written in the textbook. Red laterite soil in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Kerala are more suitable for crops like a cashew nut. Then comes a arid soil. Arid soil. Yes. What about arid soil? Let us see the arid soil. Arid soils range from red to brown in color. They are generally sandy in texture. I cannot see that. Okay. Sandy in texture and saline in nature. In some areas, the salt content is very high and common salt is obtained by evaporating the water. Due to dry climate, high temperature, evaporation is faster and the soil lacks humus and moisture. The lower horizon of the soils are occupied by kangar because of the increasing calcium content downward. The kangar layer formation in the bottom horizons restrict the infiltration of water. After proper irrigation, these soils become cultivable, as has been in the case of Western Rajasthan. Yes. How we can write as a short note? Yes. There is red to brown color, it is written. In the when I searched Google, it is written the yellow color also. Yes, red to brown color, sandy in nature, saline in nature. It is having the deep salt content. There people, we can make even salt from that area also, common salt also. And lacks humus and moisture in the lower horizons of that area. Kangar may be formed. It is because of the increasing calcium content and it restricts infiltration. Because of that reason, proper irrigation facilities are provided. That area, like Western Rajasthan, it can be that area can be used for cultivation. And recently it is said that one farmer was making a tube well near Rajasthan, and there the water forcefully came out. It says that it is nearby Nasik area where the Saraswati river has disappeared for a longer time and longer distance. Maybe that reason that one village came under the flood because of the digging of that particular tube well. That is how I found in the videos. So just understand that the irrigation can also make the vegetation, make the cultivation in this area. So where it is the arid soils have been found, we can go through the map arc. It is Western Rajasthan. In the Western Rajasthan, as it is desert area, as loamy soil or whatever the soil, because of the soil and the sand, everything together, no? As water is there, it may be like clay, like that. If there is no rainfall, no water, after all, it will become sand. That is the thing. Okay, next one is the forest soil. Whatever forest soil, it is found in the hilly mountain areas of the rain and the rainforest, and valleys are loamy and valleys are loamy and silty. In slopes are coarse. In the slopes are coarse, snow-covered areas of Himalayas. There occur denudation. It is acidic, low humus content in the upper slopes. So valleys are alluvial fans and are fertile. So suppose you circumvent a mountain area. Suppose you're going on tour for that, and suppose you circumvent an area, and you can see that suppose this side is a ocean. Sorry, this side is a ocean, and from the ocean, the monsoon, the water evaporate, and after all it is moving, and it may blocked by the mountains. It is blocked by the mountains, trees, etc. And after all, here we will get the rainforest. Here we will get the rainfall. But you go the other side, the other side may be the leeward side, and so the other side, leeward side, or the upper slopes of the mountains, most often low humus may be there. Most often you can see the deciduous forest on the other side of the hill. So this I am telling you, even the mountainous region itself, the forest region itself, one area may be thickly forest, the other area may be, the other side may be the deciduous forest. Means that the leaves will shed in summer season to retain the moisture and growth of the tree. So that is why in the upper slopes it may be coarse and low humus, but in the valleys, these are the valleys. In the valleys, there may be alluvial soil, which is good for the cultivation. So while you see the map, yes, where is the forest? Yes, here, isn't it? Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, this area. And here also you can see the forest and mountainous soil. And here also maybe there, but it is not marked there, but it's marked that you can write. And the next topic is conservation and soil conservation. I have done a video regarding conservation of all important factors except water. That is mineral resources, energy resources, forest resources, wildlife resources, like that. Okay, all the best, children and teachers. Yes, the exams are nearing. Okay, thank you all. All the best.